As people are becoming more eco-conscious and prioritize sustainability in their daily lives, we're seeing a steady rise in the demand for smarter and cleaner modes of transportation. Nowadays, electric bikes running on rechargeable batteries are everywhere and have even become mainstream in many parts of the world. But that's how things go on land. On water, on the other hand, we're still limited to purely human-powered, wind-propelled, or engine-powered watercraft. Driven by innovation and commitment to sustainability, a Switzerland-based startup called Otter aims to change that with an innovative product that takes the idea of e-biking on water to a new level. Combining elements from cycling and water sports, the Otter is a motorized aquatic bike with a unique form factor that brings all the benefits of electric-assisted cycling to the water, allowing active people to explore their local waterways silently and sustainably and enjoy some low-impact fitness training in the meantime. Touted as the world's first electrically assisted bicycle designed for water, Otter boasts an aluminum frame, 2 ergonomic seats, adjustable pedals, and inflatable pontoons that allow it to float on the water. It also boasts a pair of launching wheels to easily slip it into the water from any beach, shore, or boat ramp without heavy lifting. In the cockpit, you will find the steering lever, some cup holders, and the compartment for the removable battery. The aquatic e-bike is equipped with a unique series hybrid drivetrain and 2 foldable motors, mixing rider-generated electrical power with battery assistance to provide smooth rides on your waterway of choice. With a peak power of 1,500 watts, depending on local regulations, from the dual brushless DC motors, the watercraft allows riders to reach a maximum speed of 12 km per hour, with a more relaxed cruising speed of 8 to 10 km per hour. According to the watercraft's creators, riders can achieve a maximum electrical assistance of 500 watts in standard mode, up to 1,000 watts in boost mode. But what gives this water bike a competitive edge over human-powered watercraft is the exploration range. Equipped with a 48-volt, 34-amp-hour, 1,600 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, the Otter promises up to 20 kilometers of range or about 3 hours of riding in standard mode. This is considerably more than traditional watercraft like kayaks, which offer 6 kilometers of range at most, or stand-up paddles, which offer 1 to 3 kilometers. The battery will completely recharge in 6 hours, and the device comes with a return home mode, a smart feature that activates when the system detects a low battery. Apart from reducing power consumption, this feature also notifies the rider that the battery is nearly depleted. Equipped with a maintenance-free steer-by-wire system that can be manually controlled by the rider through a lever similar to a pedalo, the water-based bike allows for tight turns and is easy to maneuver in narrow locations, which means it can also be used to access hard-to-reach fishing spots. Even if it's designed to offer tandem bike rides on water, each of the 2 riders has their own pedal generator, which means they can enjoy independent cycling. In terms of dimensions, the Otter measures 140 by 114 by 60 centimeters in storage mode and 565 by 240 by 120 centimeters when assembled for riding. As mentioned, it boasts a durable body made from lightweight, corrosion-resistant aircraft-grade aluminum and has a total weight of 60 kilograms. The inflatable drop-stitch hulls can withstand pressures of up to 18 psi and are reinforced with rubbed protectors so you can keep it safely moored at the pier, while the drivetrain components are all waterproof with a minimum IPX7 rating. Though it only has 2 seats, the Otter can accommodate up to 4 people on board thanks to a small sunbed in the back, which means it can be used by families or small groups of friends. The breathable mesh seats have reclining backrests and soft head cushions, while your feet can rest on an anti-slip PE foam pad in a teak look when you decide to take a break from riding. The ergonomic seats, coupled with the adjustable pedal distance, ensure a comfortable riding position for people of different heights. A 70-liter splash-proof storage compartment is included under the seats. The water bike is also designed for easy portability. It can be carried around like a trolley and can be easily assembled and prepared for riding in just 3 minutes. All you need to do is unfold the seats, click in the cross beams, and mount the inflatable hulls, and you're ready to go. If you've been looking for a watercraft that allows you to sit back and pedal leisurely around your local waterways or explore new water bodies in an enjoyable way, you might want to get in touch with Otter for a test ride. After several years of development, the company has finalized the launch product. It is called the Otter OT4 and is available for pre-order, with pricing available upon request.